welcome back to our channel. In the previous video we were talking about the different types of eyes, how they are arranged or positioned on our face, what was the distance, and also what was the depth of them.
In today's video, we are going to be showing you how to take the proper picture that later on you will be using in order to figure out the shape, the design, and you will be able to use that later on.
If you'd like to see the same video but in the Spanish version, you can check out our friend Adriana's channel, which is going to be linked up here.
My name is Zuli.
My name is Monica.
And this is
Nala and Mona.
As Monica said, we talked about some of the characteristics of the eye, for example, the depth, the position, and the distance, and their differences. In today's video, we are going to be helping you take a picture or show you how to take a picture that will help you identify these characteristics, as well as using some imaginary lines or two specific imaginary lines that are called the lacrimal line as well as the pupil line. These two imaginary lines are going to help us figure out the shape of the eye as well as find out if there are any imperfections that we are able to visually correct. We are going to be taking two pictures, and these are going to be in the frontal angle as well as the side profile angle. Now, in order to take these pictures, all you need is a camera, and by the way, it doesn't have to be anything professional, and really good lighting. This could be natural lighting, or it could be a ring light or anything that you might have. And remember, your guests should always have their hair pulled back or out of the way. We want to make sure that we have a clear picture of the eyes, and we can achieve that by making sure that the guest is correctly positioned. And by that, what I mean is making sure that they are completely straight, looking straight into the camera, and they're not slouched or looking downward or upward. So just make sure that they are completely centered. With the frontal angle, what we are trying to look at is basically the distance, the position, and the size. Alright, so we are going to make sure that our guest is correctly positioned. Alright, hi Monica, hi there. You look so cute. We want to make sure that she is completely straight, looking forward. Her hair is slick back because she is, you know, gorgeous, and she is slaying that ponytail. And we are going to go ahead and take this picture. If you have an iPhone or an Android, it does have an option to have a grid on there, so you are most welcome to use that as well. So we're going to go ahead and take this picture. She is completely centered, and we want to go ahead and take a few pictures. That way it is completely clear, and you'll always have a backup, so that's always a good thing. Now for the side profile angle picture, we are going to continue to have Miss Monica here looking straight forward. Now all we are going to do is slightly move her face to the side, and we are going to take a side profile picture. Now we also want to make sure that we are getting her outer corner as well as the bridge of her nose, because we want to see the depth of her eye. Regardless if you have just started your lashing journey or if you have been doing lashes for quite a while now, it does not matter. This particular method is a very good method. That way you can refresh your memory, as well as it will give you lots of details, and you will always have, I don't know, I feel like more of a perfect technique. As we were talking about the theory and how the eyes are positioned on the face, we did get a few people requesting that we show how to actually take the picture, which is why we have done this video. Now we are not going to analyze it just yet, because we do have a few other topics to talk about before we analyze this, and one of those topics being how to identify the shape of the eye.
In the next video, we're going to continue talking about different characteristics that you have to look out for in an eye, and also how to properly analyze the pictures we just took.
Thank you guys all so much for watching this video. If you are watching us from Facebook, make sure that you are clicking on those 3 little dots so that you are notified whenever we post another video.
If you're looking at us through YouTube, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you want us to cover another topic or if you found this topic helpful.
Thank you guys all so much for watching, and we will see you all in the next video. Bye!
Bye.